Wash your drumstick. Put the chicken into a pot and add salt and water. Put to cook. Onto the spices, I use onions, garlic, ginger, carrot and mixed herbs and blend all together. Add the spice mix in with tomato paste and mix together. Blend chopped tomato with peanut butter together, add to the pot. I like my peanut butter soup with mushroom and leave it to cook for a while. Food is ready, let's serve it. Yummy!